In this video I'm going to show you how I begin to make the boxes for the light boxes. So I bought some solid oak frames, come unfinished, so they would mark very easily if you don't protect them with something. I like Danish oil, I don't like varnish, it's a bit harsh and unnatural looking. Danish oil, the more you put on, the higher gloss you'll get. So I put on a couple of coats. So you start by oiling all your frames. I get my oil from Screwfix. I get a lot of my hardware from Screwfix. Toolstation is also very good. Behind the stained glass there needs to be a diffuser, and the boxes that I buy that go on the back of my frames come with acrylic with a sort of protective layer on, which works quite nicely as a diffuser. So I cut these down to the size of my glass and pop them in behind my glass to diffuse the light. It's a bit tricky to cut. I found the most effective way is to mask them up, mark them up and score them both sides until they snap. And if they don't snap, cleanly work away to the edge with some pliers. After your oil has dried, so I'll come back the next day generally, I fix the box frames that I bought to the back of my oak frames. The box frames are cheap, they're not solid oak, they are MDF with a oak veneer, but that's completely adequate because they don't really get seen. So you need to buy them just a tiny bit smaller than the front frame, and then I stick them on with this grab adhesive. I like this particular brand because it's sort of putty coloured, which is a great colour for oak. Don't forget to clean up. And I use the same adhesive to just fix the glass when I get to it as well. It's about £2 or £3, very reasonable.